Can you see the question number 6?
No, sir. Yes.
Okay. So in this question, Telecom Limited issued 20,000 equity share of rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 5 per share, payable as rupees 7, including premium on application, rupees 5 on allotment, and the balance after 3 months of allotment. A shareholder to whom 200 shares were allotted failed to pay the allotment and call money, and his share were forfeited. Now, the reissue part, but we don't have to discuss reissue right now. Give necessary entries in the company journal and the balance sheet. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let's. You understood the question that we have issued 20,000 equity share at a premium of 5 rupees per share. Okay. Means we have issued our share on 15 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay. And at the time of application, the application money is 7 rupees, including premium. Means there is 5 premium and 2 for application.
Yeah. Total 7
allotment.
for application.
Yes. So 2 on application, 5 on allotment, and the balance 3 on first call.
Yeah.
So let's solve the question now. First of all, application. So total share issued is 20,000. That is 40,000. After that, it is premium. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
So it is 50,000. Now the allotment. It is 20,000 into 5. There is no premium or allotment, so the final amount will be written here, 1 lakh. And the balance on first call. It is
1,50,000. 20,000 into 3.
Okay, so it is 60,000. Now call scenario. On which call there is call scenario? A shareholder to whom 200 shares were allotted failed to pay. He failed to pay allotment and call money also. Okay. both of
Yeah.
the
He
installment.
failed both of them.
So we have to write the amount of allotment in inside also, not outside. Okay, so minus calls in area here for 200 shares. 200 into 5, 1000. So it is 99,000, and it is calls in area here 200 into 3, 600. So total 59,004. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, is there any issue here?
No, sir.
Now the journal entry part. So we have to pass the journal entry for application, allotment, first call, and then the forfeiture. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So the first entry is bank account debit to share application. Actually, these are simple entry we have discussed many times. So bank account debit to share application, it is total 1,40,000 we will receive on application, because on application there is premium of 5 rupees. Now, the second entry will be share application account debit to share capital and to security premium. So 1,40,000,
And share
40,000.
40,000 and 1 lakh.
Yes. Now the third entry, it is allotment
Share
account debit.
allotment account debited to credited, and the credit would be to share capital account.
Yes,
1 lakh, 1 lakh.
it is 1 lakh and 1
And
lakh. The next entry is bank account debit to share allotment. Bank account debit to share allotment. It will be 99,000 because 1,000 was calls in area.
calls in area. So, sir, will not add into calls in area account.
No, we are not opening here.
Okay.
Actually, I told you this before, that if there is no information that which method for calls in area we have to follow, then
Yeah.
always try to follow the first method where we don't open the calls in area. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Because if we open calls in area account, then we have to write calls in area in for future entry also. Yes.
Yes.
So unless it is specifically told in the question, you don't have to follow the second method.
Okay, sir.
So share first call to share capital. It is now 60,000 and 60,000. Okay, can you send me the picture of question you have solved?
Okay, sir.
Actually, If I will see your solution, then is there any problem? I will find it.
Okay.
And
Okay.
yes,
Sir, I did 5 questions.
okay, no problem. You can send me.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
So it will be 200 into 3, so 59,004. Done. So this is our entry of calls installment. The application allotment first. After this, we have to pass one more entry for for feature. So the journal entry will be share capital account debit. Should we write security premium reserve on the debit side?
Security premiums. Yes, sir.
Okay, I told you the rules regarding security premium. Do you remember it?
No, sir. We'll not write security premium. We'll write the share for feature, right?
So why not security premium?
Uh, because the person he failed to pay the money and it was in calls in area.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the reason we are not writing security premium here.
Securities premium, sir, because
Okay. Do you remember
that
the
was not what, sir?
yes? Yes, you're saying something. Tell me.
Yeah, I was saying because 1 minute, I'll check the question again. Yes, sir. Because it was like rupees 5 per share payable as rupees 7 including premium. So like 2 rupees was the premium, right?
No, 5 rupees on food.
Of rupees 5 per share.
Yes, premium
Oh
is written
yes.
in the question.
Yeah, yeah. So it was the share was of rupees 10 each and 5 rupees was the premium.
Yes, I am asking that
Yeah.
we have to write security premium in this entry or not, or if your
No.
answer, wait, if your answer is yes or no, then what is the reason behind it?
Sir, we will not write securities premium here.
And the reason behind
Uh,
this?
because like the shares were forfeited due to the amount due of rupees 8, right?
Okay, you have written the concept of security premium at the time of forfeiture.
Yes.
Okay, can
Rules.
you see the concept?
1 minute, sir. Securities.
Forfeiture of share which is issued at premium.
Oh.
We have discussed this one or two class before.
Yeah, about 1 minute.
You were absent in previous class only or previous to previous class also?
Sir, just in previous class only.
Then I think you have studied the concept.
calls in area, right?
Not call scenario.
After that, right?
Forfeiture of share.
Feature. I cannot find the notes, sir, for the forfeiture.
But you have studied the forfeiture concept.
Sir, there were
You
two
can see here.
cases, right?
Yes.
Yes, I found it.
Okay. Tell me the first case.
In first case, like share capital account would be debited.
Not journal entry.
Yeah.
What is the first case?
Uh, Sir, there were two. Like one calls in area is open and when it is not open, right?
I'm talking about this concept. You're seeing here.
Uh,
You're seeing the screen.
yes, sir.
What is written here? Please read.
Forfeiture of share issued at premium. Once premium is received, it can not be used from the given purpose in section 53. That's why it cannot be cancelled. If second,
Okay.
uh, if securities premium is received, then the general entries.
Okay. And what is the second entry?
The second entry, if security premium is not received,
No.
share
Uh,
cap.
in both of these two entries, what is the difference?
Sir, will debit in the second case will debit the securities premium account,
Okay.
and in
Why we
first
are
case,
debiting?
because the security premium is not received.
Yes. If security premium is not received, then we will cancel the security premium. We will write the security premium on the debit side. If security premium is received, then it cannot be
Yes.
cancelled. It will not be included in forfeiture entry. So this is the theory part that we have discussed on 21st October, 22nd October.
Yeah.
So I
Okay.
think you have written this theory part.
Yes, I did, sir.
So it is not in your notebook.
It was that, sir, but I wrote it in different page.
The maintenance of notebook is very important because at
Yeah.
the time of examination, uh, this teaching will not be there. You have to study from your notebook. So please make your notebook as comfortable that you can easily understand where it is written, or you should write the date on page headings. Like this,
Okay.
you can maintain your notebook.
Okay, sir.
Actually, if I can show you, then I will show you that at my time when I'm studying, how I have maintained my notebook, so that you will get a hint that how to maintain a notebook.
Okay, sir.
Okay, share capital
Okay.
account debit. There will be no security premium here in this quotient, in
Yeah.
this answer on the debit side, because security premium is already received. Why it is received? Because security premium is along with application. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if security premium is along with application, then we have received the application. It means security premium is received.
Receipt.
And
Yes.
the shareholder failed to pay two calls, allotment and first call, not application. Means we have received the security premium. That's why it cannot be cancelled. So we will not write it here. So share capital account debit to share for feature account. To share allotment account. And to share first call. Now, if we have not written security premium on the debit side, then we will not include security premium in calls also. Okay, like here in share capital, we will write the full amount 10 rupees, not premium.
Yes, sir.
If we are passing the journal entry without security premium on the debit side,
Yeah.
then we
Yeah.
will not include security premium amount on the credit side also.
Yeah. Both the sides will not include.
Yes. So share capital, how much amount will be in share capital? Here,
2000.
2000. 200 into 10.
10.
Yes, 2000. And in share forfeiture?
For feature was 2 into 200, 400.
Very good, 400. And allotment?
For allotment, sir, 600.
No, it will be 1000 because 5 rupees on allotment, 600 on first
Oh,
call.
600 for the first capital. Okay. First call.
Okay. So this
Okay,
is
sir.
your solution. Tell me if there is any problem, any doubt.
No, sir.
Okay. So will you try one question here? Yes, the telecom question. You have done this question or not?
Yeah. Fifth one I did, sir.
Okay. Sixth
The
one
last
I
one.
have done here.
Yeah, the last one.
Yes, but there is, I think, a missing information here.
In sixth one, sir.
Yes, the last one.
Yeah, I didn't did that one.
Okay, try to solve question number 7. I am writing the balance, the left information here.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Done for him?
No, sir. Like, do the balance sheet also?
No, no. You just have to pass the journal entry.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, sir. Just one. Sir, in this, we should open the calls in area account, or like we should leave that also. Calls in area.
You want to open calls in the account, you were saying?
Yeah.
What I told you if there is no information.
Like in this question, the information is not given, so it's better not to open, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. Now tell me the journal entry.
Sir, the first entry would be for building, because we have purchased the building, so the building account would be debited. and the vendor account would be credited.
Okay, you can say it like this: vendor account, building account debit to vendor. That's it.
Yeah. Okay. And the amount is 1 lakh.
Okay.
And then second entry is of vendor account debited to share capital. It's also 1 lakh.
Okay.
And then bank account debited to share application account, because 900 shares were received of rupees 10, so the amount would be 9,000 rupees.
Okay.
And then share capital account debited, then to share capital, a share application debit to share capital, rupees 9,000.
Oh, next.
And then share allotment account debited to securities premium and to share capital. And
Okay.
the amount, sir, the amount would be rupee 22,500 debit, 4,500 and 18,000, right?
4,500 premium.
Yeah. And 18,000 as equity share capital.
Okay.
Okay. And then allotment money received. Bank account debit to share allotment account.
Amount.
Uh, 22,500.
Okay.
And then share first call account debit to equity share capital, to share first call account to share capital account,
You have
36,000
not
amount.
written these entries.
No sir, I have written it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Ah,
I'll send you this also.
no, no. Tell me the entry.
Yeah, equity share capital. Yeah. The first account were 900 shares. Sir, this one is like 36,000, both the amounts, right?
Yes.
Share first call account debit to share capital account. And then a bank account debit to share first call. The amount would be 32,000, 32,000.
32,000.
Yeah, bank account 32,000 and then first call account 32,000.
Can you tell me why?
Because sir, uh, we received 800 shares.
Okay. We have received money on 800 shares.
800 shares.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Then
then next, so there is more entry.
final call.
For the final call. Sir, I did it till here only.
And for feature.
No, sir, I did it till here.
Okay. So actually, final call entry will not be done because you can see the last line I have written here. His share are forfeited and final call has not been made.
Okay, sir.
So we don't have to pass entry for final call. You have to pass entry for feature. Please do it now.
Okay, sir. For feature.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, the bank account and share for feature account would be debited to share capital account. The amount would be 6,000, 1,000, and 7,000.
Hello, actually, it is showing your internet connection is not stable. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me now.
Sir, the bank account would be debited and share for feature account would also be debited to share capital account.
What is the journal entry of share forfeiture?
Share for feature account debit to share for feature would be debited, right, sir?
Okay, so you don't remember the entry that we have just uh, did in previous question.
No, no, sir.
Okay, actually, this is the journal entry. You can see.
Okay, share capital, then share for feature. Okay.
No, 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 not like this. You don't have to remember this. You have to understand that what we are doing as share forfeiture, why we share forfeiture is done by the company.
Okay, sir.
Tell me.
Uh, Sir, the same entry we have to pass this last one for the forfeiture.
No, it will change in every question.
Okay.
You don't read the theory part,
I do, sir.
so you don't remember the entry.
Sir, the entry would be of bank account debit.
Why bank?
Because sir, the shares were reissued, right? 100 shares of 100 rupees, and then the share were reissued for the rupees 60 as 70 paid up.
I didn't write it here. Yes or no?
These shares are forfeited. Final call has not been made. So,
Yes.
sir, the final call, so will not make the final call entry, right?
We will not make final call entry, and we are not discussing the reissue part. I told you about this.
Okay, sir.
You have to pass the forfeiture entry first. You have not done forfeiture entry, so how could you reissue the share?
Yeah.
So what will be the journal entry for forfeiture?
S- 1 minute, sir.
You told me that you have done questions, 5 questions here.
Yes, sir.
You didn't pass entry for forfeiture in any of these 5 questions.
No, sir.
Why?
We have to pass for the forfeiture also.
I told you that we have discussed the concept of forfeiture, not.
Yes, yes, we did, sir.
So we have to do the journal entry. Why we studied the concept if we are not going to solve any question of forfeiture?
Yeah.
So you have not done a single entry of forfeiture until now.
No, sir.
That's the issue then. Not in this class, not in previous class, any class. Yes.
Yeah.
But I told you that we have to pass the entry for forfeiture also.
For feature, yes.
Then why you leave the entry? Yes, Fahim.
Yes, sir.
I told you that we have to pass journal entry for forfeiture in previous class when we have discussed the concept. Yes.
Yeah, there were like two types.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if we have discussed the concept, I told you also that we have to solve the question of forfeiture. Then why you leave the question? Why you leave the journal entry of forfeiture?
S- Sir, in this, like, share capital account would be debited for feature,
Yes.
because it was the called up amount.
Yes.
Then to share for feature account.
Yes, this is written. I know that we have discussed the concept and you have written the theory part.
Yeah.
That's what I am asking. Why you leave the question when you know the concept? You have written the concept. We have discussed the concept. If you will not solve question, then how you will understand the concept?
Yeah, sir.
Actually, in class, we have discussed the question. I have solved the question, and you have seen it right now. In previous question, we have discussed the forfeiture entry also. Yes,
Yes, sir.
but uh, while solving this question, you leave the forfeiture part.
Yes.
Any specific reason that it is not written in the question, or you just leave the forfeiture part?
Uh, no, sir. Like there is no reason.
Okay, so can you pass the journal entry of forfeiture or not?
Yes, I can, sir.
Let me make it clear. I'm writing the forfeiture entry again, and you have to pass forfeiture entry of every question written here. Okay,
Okay.
and I will,
Okay, sir.
uh, yes, and you have to send me those solution on
Yeah.
our WhatsApp channel through any
Okay.
means.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so the journal entry will be share capital account debit to share forfeiture, and the call which we didn't receive, we have to write the name of those calls. So to share allotment and to share first call. So share capital will be 100 shares, and we have asked for 10 rupees here, 20 rupees here, 40 rupees here. So 40, 20, and 10. We are taking this as 20 because the 5 is premium here.
Yes, sir.
So actually, premium is also not received. Yes.
Yes.
No, 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 no. It is just share capital. Okay, not share allotment will not be written here. So to share forfeiture, share forfeiture, and to share first call. Sir, just 1 minute and I've completed my class. Share capital is it will be total 100 into these three,
These
because
three.
the
Yeah.
last call is not made.
Yeah. Final call.
Yes, so 100 into 70. Okay, so it will be
Yeah.
7,000 here.
Okay, sir.
And in share forfeiture, we have received this 30 rupees, so 3,000 here, and we have not received this 40 per share, so 4,000.
Okay,
So
sir.
this is your solution. Now, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Now you have to solve these questions for along with forfeiture entry. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll pass the forfeiture entry also in the previous question.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.